Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you on how the app looks like. Yeah, just discard this sound. um, so now we have the sign-in screen, and then we're gonna have the sign-up screen as well. So this is Android platform, and this is the iOS platform for Apple devices, and this one for all the devices that supports Android tablets and phones as well. Okay, so the sign-up screen for now, it has the first name, last name, email address, password. Okay, let me just stop this for now. Okay. So for now, so it has, as I said, first name, last name, email address, password, and then the type of the user that will be sign up. And then when the user sign up, it will just take them to the screen where they're supposed to go. So if they are a student, they will go to a screen that has the student's features. And if the user is a teacher, it's just going to take them to a different screen. Okay. So if we go back to the sign in, so we can sign in on both platforms. So let's just sign in. So now I'm signing in as a student. Okay. So let me just see where my account is. Yeah, that's my account. So now I'm signing in as a student. Let me just fix that. This is supposed to be a lowercase update. Okay. So let's sign in for now. Okay. So when the student sign in, so that's what they see for now. So we have the three forms. I'm gonna go with the Apple, which is the iOS platform in here, the one in the middle. So in here we have the mentor form, the understanding form, the transcript update form. Okay, so we're gonna look at them, and here the user just sign out. Okay, so let's start with the mentor form. So we have first name, last name, street number, and all the information that they would provide on the form. Okay, so now we can use the voice assistant to fill out the form. So I just need to turn this one back on because it has just a weird noise in my system. I don't know why it's doing that. So I'll just show you the voice assistant. Okay, and then I'll just turn it off, and then okay. So for now, so for example, I say my first name is Ahmed. Okay, so it did write Ahmed there. Okay, so I can reset it. I can like delete it. So I use the command which is reset my first name. Okay, so it should say your first name is resetted, but the issue is because I'm using this app which is called the QuickTime or Quicker Time something app. So I'm using that, and it's not letting me, and it doesn't play the sound. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my phone, and then you guys will hear that. Just a minute. Let me just put that back on here. So from my phone, reset my first name. Reset my first name.
You have not entered a first name.
So because I didn't enter a first name, so it's just gonna say I didn't enter a first name. Okay, my first name is Ahmed. Okay, that's on my phone now. You guys can't see it, but I'm just gonna show you. I mean, I just want you to listen how the system will respond. Only the voice. Okay, sorry, the sound. Okay, now let's reset it. Reset my first name.
Your first name has been resetted.
Okay, so this is what actually does, but yeah, I'm not sure why it's not transmitting the voice over here. But anyway, so now let's fill out the form with the voice commands. Okay, my first name is Ahmed. My last name is Smith. Okay, so when I click on this button, so I need to press hold and then speak. When I finish, I just need to release it. Okay, and then it's going to write the name there. Okay, street number is 1234. Okay, and then release it so you can I mean, like, we can't just let the speech recognition we can't let the speech recognition on all the time, so we have to press in and then press out. Okay, and then we're gonna go with the street name now. Street name is Metcalf Avenue. City is Overland Park. State is Kansas. Zip code is 66212. Phone number is 571-222-3333. Okay, that's not my real number. Okay, contact type voice. Gender is male. We can say we can say female as well. Gender is female, so it takes us to the female and other as well. Gender is male. Okay. My birth date is April 1990. I am not a US citizen. But so because I'm not a US citizen, so it's just gonna show me if I'm a US permanent or not. I'm not a US permanent. Okay. Well, in here we just kind of say, like, for example, current year is a freshman, sophomore, junior. So for example, in my case it's graduate. Current year is graduate. And then we have the university name. Okay. University name is UMKC. Yeah, sometimes just misspell UMKC. Reset my university name. My university name is UMKC. Okay. My major is computer science. My GPA is 3.9. Okay. Reset my GPA. My GPA is 3.9. Yeah, that's the date of graduation. So we can click here and then we can choose the date, or we can just use the voice command. Okay. Date of degree completion is April 2020. I am not a transfer student. Yeah, I'm just having a problem pronouncing veteran. So let's try it now. I am not veteran. Yeah, okay, let me just try to pronounce that again. Okay, veteran. Okay. I am not veteran. I am not veteran. I am not veteran. Okay, again. I am not veteran. It's just my pronunciation. So let me just confirm the pronunciation from my app. Veteran. Okay. I am not veteran. Okay. Well, we can say, like, I'm a Hispanic or not Hispanic. For example, I'm not Hispanic. And then here we can say American Indian, Asian, white, black, or African American, Native Hawaiian. So let's try American Indian. My race is American Indian. Okay. And then so in here, because we're gonna select more than one choice on the health condition, so they can just say it. So for example, I say autism. Okay, sorry, autism. And then if I say it back, so it's just gonna uncheck it. Autism. Okay, wait, autism. Okay, so it should uncheck it somehow. Okay, let's try a different one. Deaf. Deaf. Yeah. Yeah, so it's just autism. Yeah, I'll double check on that again. So for example, I can say systemic medical. Systemic medical. Systemic medical. So it check and check. Okay. And then the name of the parent, for example. Name of parent, Alanazi, maybe. Okay. Reset name of parent. Reset name of parent. Okay. Reset name of parents. Okay. Name of parents is. Okay, let me just. Name of parents is John. Okay, yeah, it's working. So the permanent mailing address as well. So permanent mailing address, let me make sure I did handle this one. I should handle it. Okay, I'll just double check. Yeah, this one I think I didn't handle it on the system, but I will handle that later. Yeah, so I will handle that later. The permanent address, I forgot about it. Okay, so for now, let's say if the permanent mailing address is different, if they click yes, so it will ask them to enter the information. So if they click no, so it won't show them. Okay, so now since the application is completed, so if we look here at the database, so there is no application yet. Okay, we didn't have any form have been submitted yet. Okay, so to submit it, we can actually use the command, which is submit my form. Okay, let's try that. Submit my form. Submit my form. See, so now it's just tell the user, are you sure you want to submit your application? So they can click confirm or cancel. So if they click cancel, it will take them back to the same page. If they click confirm, so it will be added to the database. Okay, let's click confirm for now. See, it's added to the database now. Okay, so now we have all the information we have entered here. Okay, so that's for the voice command. Okay, so we can use the same form, we can enter manually. So for example, I can say Ahmed, first name, last name is Smith, street address 1234, street name, let's use a different one, Plum Road. Okay, actually Plum Road. City, let's do Lenexa. State is Kansas. Zip code is 6212. Phone number, let's just have a 10-digit number. And then we can click, for example, voice, mail. So the birth date here, it will show them a calendar, so they can pick out their date of birth. And then because I believe on the form it asked for the month and the date and the year. So the user can enter that with the voice recognition as well. Okay, so US citizen, no. Permanent, no. For example, graduate, UMKC, so UMKC, major CS, computer science, GPA, I hope 3.9, and then the date of degree, it's, so they will choose the, so the date of degree, it's only required the month and the year, so it will show them the month, the year, the day, but when they confirm, so it's just gonna show the year and the month. Transfer student, no, no, not Hispanic, American, for example, nothing, we can just leave it empty. And then the parent, I mean, we have no parent, no, same address, and then we can submit. So now when we click submit, we will see another form has been added here, will be added here. Submit, and then it asks us if we want to submit it, confirm. So now it's submitted. Okay. Okay. So with the Android, it works as well. So for example, let's do the understanding form here. So that's the understanding form. So the submit button here will be disabled until they check everything. If they don't check everything, it will be disabled all the time. Okay, so what we did is we did one command that check all of them at once. So it's just help, because the user anyway has to check all of them. He can't uncheck any one of them and then click submit. So we did a command that check them all at once. Okay, so first let's go to understanding form, and then we will see our form will be pulled up here. Okay, so let's delete this one for now. Okay, so it's just going to show us a new understanding form applications. It will show us that here, but let's use the command with the Android. So now we use the iOS, but let's use this one with the Android. Okay, check all boxes. Check all boxes. Okay, so do you see that? So now it's actually checked all of them, and then now the button is not disabled anymore. Submit my form. Submit my form. Okay, submit my form. Yeah, okay, so now it says confirm. When we confirm, and then, well, for this one we have to refresh actually. Yeah, so once we did confirm, so now it says true, true, true. Okay, so this one is not included, so I will remove this one from the database because we have only 9. So that's number 10. So it's just for debugging for us. But anyway, so the 9, we have the 9 statements right here. So all of them checked true. Okay, we have statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 9. That's the 9 here. Okay, now let's go to the transcript one. Let's just delete transcripts. Okay, so let's use the iOS for that. Transcripts update. Okay, actually we can, for here we can do it by hand as well. So they can go one by one by hand. Okay, let's just submit it in here manually. Okay, and then, okay, so this one has not been handled yet, but I'll take care of it. Okay, let's see why. Just a quick look. Understanding form. Yeah, okay, so I will just handle that later. So what happens is, so when all has been selected, so it will be the button will be enabled, and then they can click as well. Okay, and then now here we are on the transcript request, which is, I believe that's a request. I think it's called update or request, but I used update in this case. Anyway, so here we can do same thing. So we can say my first name is Ahmed. My last name is Smith. School is university. Europe semester. Okay, not Europe. Seriously. Okay. Year of semester 2015. Okay. Semester type is 16 weeks. Degree is master's. Major is computer science. Minor is machine learning. Anticipated graduation date, month April. Anticipated graduation date, year 2020. Okay. Yeah, and then the achievements here, we will have to do something like, we're gonna add a button there to make it easier for the, because this command button takes command and then work with the command, but in here we're not gonna use a command. We're gonna have later, we're gonna have another button that will be placed here, so the user can add as much as they want by the voice recognition. Okay, but for now let's test it. Achievements during the semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just like anything, any text we have there. I have completed internship. The name of the company is KC. The total hours 15. The pay in dollars is $50. Yeah, that will be internship summary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just adding any text. I have done undergraduate research. I have done undergrad research. Okay, I have completed undergrad research actually. I think I have completed undergrad research. Okay, it's not getting the undergrad. Okay, let me try one more. I have completed undergrad research. Yeah. My research topic is computer science. My faculty name is Dr. Lee. My research summary is I did good job. Hopefully. Okay, and then we can submit as well by the voice command. Submit my form. Okay, so before that, we're gonna see, okay, I already deleted that, so it should show up here. Submit my form. Okay. Let me see what happened. Okay, it should actually submit. Okay, let's go back. Transcript, submit. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened, but let's try again. My first name is Ahmed. My last name is Smith. The school is university. School is university. Year of semester is 2020. 2020 actually. Year of semester is 2020. Type of semester is 16 weeks. My degree is master's. My major is computer science. My minor is machine learning. Reset my minor. My minor is machine learning. Anticipated graduation date month, April. Anticipated graduation date year, 2020. Anticipated graduation date year, 2020. Achievements during the semester, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have completed internship. Okay, let's do not, because we already went over that and then crashed. Okay, so I have not completed internship. I have not completed undergrad research. Okay, now we'll submit, confirm. Okay, confirm. Okay, and then go here. Yeah, transcripts. So that's the information. The information are there. Okay. All right. Let's just exit from the application. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's open back the application. Okay. We can do that as well manually. We can just enter them there. So this is pretty much it about the voice command, and we can do hybrid, we can do both. So if you go here, we can do both. I can say my first name is Ahmed, and then I can enter my last name myself, for example, and then here I can choose whatever I want manually, and then I can just click and then submit. So this is all for now. Yeah, so one thing is, so for example, let me actually sign out, okay, and then log in back. Okay, but actually before I log in, because I want to log in with a teacher, so I just want to see like I want to show you how it's gonna take me to a different screen. Okay, so it's gonna be teacher. I'm just gonna change that here, teacher. Okay, so when I sign in, okay, sign out. Okay, is that my, okay, that's not mine. Okay, let's look for mine. Yeah, that's mine. So let's change it to teacher. Teacher. Update. Sign in. See, now it's taking me to a teacher screen. Okay. So if I do administrator, it will take me to administrator as well. We can sign out, and then, so it depends on the user type. It will take the user to the right screen. Alright, so that's it, and thank you for watching.